Alrighty guys, we're starting off today with Connor getting absolutely soaked.
Yeah.
So we have the Firetruck. We're gonna off-road it today. We're gonna test its capabilities and then hopefully get it back to the shop. I don't know why we brought it up here if we're taking it back.
Yeah,
but it's been up here for like a year or two. I got it running a couple weeks ago, and I think there's a heat exchanger in here. I don't know how it works, but the radiator, it leaks inside the pump and it leaks out on the ground. So we have a 275 gallon tote of water, which we're gonna pump full and see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm gonna pass off to Connor here because I have a feeling like he's gonna get soaked.
I'm probably gonna get wet here.
We can't really regulate it. It seems to be working good. Oh, I'm gonna work on getting her started.
Okay. We're full, brother. We're full, brother.
How bad is it?
I think the passenger is gonna be pretty wet.
Yeah, it looks that way. Well, she's gonna take more because she leaks. So let's see what happens here. All right, Connor. We got our trusty GB500 on.
I got nothing.
You gotta turn the batteries on, bud.
That would try it. Oh.
And you gotta do ignition, start.
She loves it.
She struggled for a second. She did struggle for a second. The old 8V92 doesn't care. She don't need to warm up.
It needs to air up.
She does need to air up. You want to show me how you air it up? How do you get the air in her? Secret compartment. I don't know how you open this. Oh, jackpot! Jackpot is right. They don't work. Mine are broken.
Mine's broken too.
I guess there's a reason they were left. Try one more here. What a bunch of garbage. Oh, I got it. I got it. Ow! I got my thumb. Watch this, I know a trick. I know a trick. He doesn't know I know this. All right. Connor, what's this?
That's where
Diesel. Dicel. Oh, you put the flare in here to die. That's where it goes to die. Let me store mine. I'm gonna keep mine in there. Where are you gonna put yours at?
I think I'm gonna keep mine.
That doesn't look like a good one to put stuff inside.
Yeah,
it already lit that on fire.
Oh, see, it's a good one.
I think maybe we'll put that in here.
We'll only leave it there for a little bit.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
See?
That stuff seems to light on fire pretty easy.
It's fire hose. It doesn't light on fire, silly.
Oh, that's a good point. I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
You're so smart. What's that? Is that flare storage?
That's a flare storage.
Yeah, go get yours. I think you should put yours in there. This is where the water leaked out, so I put this cap on here and she's good now. Wow. Got too much of a bend, huh? Oh, you gotta open it. I like that. What do we do when that light's on fire later?
You don't worry about that. This is where the water comes out. It can't light on fire.
Yeah, it'll be all right. Put that on so we don't lose it. Let's go see if it's leaking out the other side. Because it leaked. Oh, I forgot we had that. Not leaking yet, but it leaked out the other one on the other side. So we'll see what happens. The neighbors gotta love when they come up here. So we got our air horn. We have master. Where's the master? That one? Yep, that's it. And then we have our Q2B. The neighbors love it. They gotta love it. Let's go see how this does off-roading. Let's go take a test ride.
What you do to my seat step, bro?
What happened over there?
I don't know. Somebody had a bad day.
Hold on, Tanner.
I'm holding.
His hair is the same color.
I can't believe you got water all over.
What?
I can't believe you got water all over the leather.
Yeah, you'll have that.
The leather's wrecked.
I think she's stuck. Oh, there we go.
There she goes.
Should we see if it makes it up the hill climb?
I think it will.
Okay.
I don't think we even need to see. I think it will.
I think it will too.
One. Bravo, bravo.
I'm gonna pass this off to my co-pilot.
Woo!
We're gonna do a boosted launch. You ready? Not very fast.
Yeah.
Not very fast. Why am I getting wet? The light's peeing on me.
We didn't make it very far.
Make it 10 feet. Maybe if we go really fast backwards, we'll make it.
The light is piddling on me.
It's also on me. I'm getting really wet. Oh, that's the whole headliner, I think. I think she's warm now, bud.
Not Martin.
What a piece of junk.
It is a piece of junk. I think we're stuck.
Why is this not better at off-roading?
I think we're stuck.
What's the problem here?
I don't think there is a problem.
I think the part where the frame and the hook is touching is the problem.
You think that's a problem?
I don't know. Let me look at the roof. Well, she looks good. This is a step, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I'd try it again.
I think third time's the charm. I'm buying another Firetruck. I think this one's done. So obviously she didn't like the last ride. We'll take it easy this time. I think, like most things, if you complete it once, you can complete it twice. So if we go down, that's the same thing as going up. So I think if we go down, we can go up.
I don't think that's how that works.
No, if you do it once, you do it twice. Yeah, because we're gonna go down, then we're just gonna go up.
I think Fig Newton says otherwise. Something about inertia and gravity.
These trees. If I go through these, and the back door open when we did that.
Do you think we can do it twice since we did it once?
Well, no, since we did that once, I think we can hit a tree like that.
You think we can hit that one there?
Yeah.
I think so too.
I'm gonna close the door so we don't lose.
That's
the jump
convenient.
pack. You silly jump pack, you. She's good to go.
Doing time trials.
Think we go this way?
I think we can.
I think we're rolling. Just smash my arm on the door. Oh, there is all the flares. Dang it. Gosh darn it. Dang it.
Oh my God, there was a car accident.
Wow.
Right here. You can't park there. You cannot park there.
I think I can drive back, come out the other end.
Let me find it. You have to hit it pretty fast.
I don't know. I think it's gonna go good. Either we're gonna make it fine, or we're ripping the front bumper off.
I don't know.
Either way, we're getting down.
We got gravity on our side this
That
time.
too. I don't know how fast I want to hit this, because I don't feel comfortable hitting it doing like 20. I'm doing 10 and it feels unsafe. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Where's the fire at?
This hit me. Think we can do it again faster or no?
I think we can.
I think we can do it again.
If at first you don't succeed, hit it with some speed.
We'll hit it with some speed. Try to get the feel for it.
All the flares.
Flares.
We lost all the flares.
Oh, back there?
Yeah.
Wow, that's not good. We need them. What if we break down?
I don't know.
Shortcut.
Shortcut.
That saves so much time.
I know.
Why does it sound like we have a gnarly air leak now?
It does sound that way.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
I think that's the legal limit. Your front bumper's a little scuffed.
I don't know what happened, but Connor was in the ceiling and the truck died. We weren't even going fast. We weren't even going fast.
I don't think we went fast enough. I think that was the problem.
Oh, well, this is the problem.
Oh, no.
Your step's off.
Not the horn.
Yeah, but our flare went out.
That's the problem. Let's light it again. It should be all right.
That's a huge problem.
Do we think anything to do with all the hanging airlines and wires has an issue with this?
No.
No?
No, probably not.
No, it looks like the air tank. It looks like our little line here. Oh, look, we just gotta tighten around.
I know what it is.
Why is there coolant in the air?
I know what it is. We didn't have the on spots on to go up.
Oh.
We gotta put the on spots on, silly.
She should be good now.
Should fire right up.
She should be mint. First we gotta figure out why she died.
She didn't die. She's just taking a rest.
The batteries are still mounted. We don't have any power at all. Huh.
That's not really ideal.
I think we ripped the ground off. Not good, bud.
We just don't have power.
No, not at all.
Battery wire probably.
Did you fix the carbonator?
I think the carbonator was backed up and needed to be replaced.
Where's this finish nail?
Fire department is very, very sophisticated with their work. They like to use finish nails as cotter
Wow, I
pins.
like that.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Taxpayer dollars at its finest.
That's nice. So now she's ready to go. But I don't know how much life she has left in her.
Oh, she is a new
That was-
carbonator. She's ready to rock.
I don't think so. That was a temp fix. That was definitely temporary. And I think we might make it up the hill if we go up the road.
Leave my door open.
Leave your door open?
Leave my door
You want to get in? I don't know how much life she's got left in her. I do not know how much life she has left in her. We'll take her through some puddles, and I think that might be it for today. Because she's got a job to do at home, which you will see if she lives long enough to get home.
Free brush clearing.
You do a lot.
Yeah.
I was like leaving the air and everything.
Free brush clearing though.
I said, why buy a brush hog?
Exactly.
No! My light! My light! Gosh darn it! Gosh diggity darn!
Yeah.
Wow, that didn't work too well. That didn't work well at all. And now we're just stuck. The tree is in the truck. The tree is completely in the truck. Wow. Wow. I'm very disappointed in the PEM fab right now. or the American Eagle 10 Fab, whatever these things are called. I'm very disappointed.
I think there was something there. I didn't see
I
it.
can't see you because of the sun.
I was just trying to back in the garage.
The tree, it's in the truck. It's in the truck.
It's in the truck.
It's in the truck. I think she's gonna live here. We're gonna have to bring a big truck up to get it out. Come this way. Come this way. It's not good. Definitely not an ideal situation. She's buried, and the tree is in the truck.
Wow. I think I bumped something.
I thought, I'm not gonna lie, before we started filming, I thought we said to hit this tree.
I thought you meant this tree.
Well, then why are you over there?
I couldn't see. I got turned around. There's no backup camera.
I understand. The mirrors are junk in this thing.
The mirror, look, this.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I know. It's junk.
Somebody
Garbage.
cracked the mirror.
No, see, that happened on this side when we went flying down the hill. That happened. See? It happened here too.
Junk.
Absolute garbage. Well, this is where she's gonna live.
Forever.
We gotta get something up here. What happened to the horn?
Groundhog.
That's a big groundhog.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That's a tree. Does it still work? See if she still works. I don't think she works. She got mulched.
We should dump it on the ground.
Tanner socket set is already half dumped. Wow, we even lost the vent cover. This wasn't good. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. Connor's disappointed.
Not impressed.
I'm not impressed either. I'm very upset with the truck after its performance today. So, with that being said, we're gonna have to bring the load boy up in the Peterbilt to save this thing. We could probably get away with something a little smaller to get it out, but after the performance and after that damage in the back, I don't know if we're driving this thing home. And if we do, we're probably getting pulled over. Maybe we'll try to drive it home, I don't know. It's getting late, she's stuck. I'm disappointed, I'm sad, I wanna go home. So, as always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any ideas of what you wanna see with this, let me know. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.